You need to hear this if you're a construction worker. Tech is changing the game in Cairo, and here's how. This isn't your granddad's construction site. In Cairo, smart workers are using cutting-edge tech to build faster, safer, and better. Imagine drones surveying sites in minutes, 3D printers creating parts on demand, and augmented reality guiding precision work. Our smart worker uses these tools to reduce waste, boost efficiency, and ensure top-notch safety. But it's more than just tech, it's about people. With these advancements, local communities are seeing quicker project completions and better quality buildings. It's innovation that's not only changing the skyline, but transforming lives. So, if you're in construction, it's time to get smart and embrace the future. Cairo is leading the way. Are you ready to follow?